Why do we sneeze? Early in the morning, a tiny speck of dust found its way into the nose. Instantly, the nerves sent a danger signal to the brain. The brain reacted swiftly, triggering the sneeze reflex. The diaphragm contracted, chest pressure built up, eyelids closed involuntarily, and a burst of air rushed out at high speed. With that powerful sneeze, the dust was expelled and the airways were cleared. If suppressed, the pressure from a sneeze could harm the eardrums or sinus passages. Allowing it to flow naturally is the healthiest way to protect the body. This small reflex showcases how complex and effective the body's defense system truly is.